If you've ever felt like you should be better with money by now or have more of it in the bank, but no one ever taught you how, this channel is for you. Here I talk about money in a way that's realistic, non-judgmental, and can actually be applied in real life, especially if you're living in Canada. I'm Jessica, and I've been a financial educator and content creator for over 14 years. I'm also the best-selling author of Everything But Money, and I've actually got credentials to talk about this stuff. I'm both a certified financial counselor and qualified associate financial planner. Now, over the years, I've helped thousands of people better understand their money without fear, guilt, or confusing jargon through my writing, speaking, courses, podcasts, social media, and YouTube. And the reason I'm so passionate about this is because I used to be that person who didn't know anything about money and oftentimes was afraid to ask how it worked. You see, I didn't start out in finance. In fact, I went to university for filmmaking. But once I graduated SFU in 2009 during the Great Recession and decided the film industry was not for me, but still had student loans to pay and hardly any money to my name, I realized I needed to do something different. I didn't want to continue living like a broke art school student for the rest of my life, so I needed to learn everything I didn't know about money, which was literally everything. I started by reading personal finance blogs and books, then turned to formal financial planning courses. Along the way, I wanted to share what I learned because, unsurprisingly, I wasn't the only one who felt like this. Now, I feel so lucky that my job is to teach people about money every single day. So what can you expect to learn here? Well, we'll be talking about how to make smart money decisions that support your life, not restrict it, how to build wealth at your own pace and invest with confidence, how to start a small business in Canada and the tax rules to be aware of, and most importantly, no matter where you're at with your money, it's never too soon or too late to change your relationship with it. So it can be a positive thing in your life, not a negative. With that said, there are some things you won't find on this channel. I don't believe in hustle culture, shame-based budgeting, or anything that sounds like a get-rich-quick scheme. My philosophy has and always will be keeping things simple by taking this slow but steady path to wealth. Moreover, I believe that money is a tool, but it should not be confused for a measure of your personal worth or happiness. Money shouldn't be your end goal, and believe me, having more of it is no guarantee it will fix other aspects of your life. But it can provide security, freedom, and a safe space from worry, so it's still important to know how to use it. So if you want clear, honest conversations about money and practical guidance you can actually use, subscribe and start with one of my videos here. I'm really glad you're here. Let's start this journey to a more prosperous you right now.